Watching two channels on Samsung Smart TV. In today's video, you are going to learn how to watch two channels at once on Samsung Smart TV. So let's get started. First, you have the option of multi-view. This is a built-in feature on most recent Samsung Smart TV that allows you to split your screen and display two different sources immediately. Here is how to use it. Press the multi-view button on your remote. Alternatively, navigate to the settings menu, select channel and then choose multi-view. Select the first source you want to watch. This could be a live TV channel or streaming app or another connected device. The second option is picture-in-picture. This is a classic feature that allows you to display a smaller window of one source on top of another. Here is how to use it. Tune to the channel you want to watch in the main screen, then navigate to the source you want to display in the PIP window. This could be another channel, app, or device. Now press the picture-in-picture button on your remote. The selected source will now appear in a smaller window on top of the main screen. Now you can use the directional buttons on your remote to move the PIP window to your preferred position on the screen. So that's all. That's how you will be able to watch two channels at once on Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.